Hey, thanks so much for joining us on day 5 of the 12 days of photo organizing secrets. Today's secret is some of your family may not care that you're doing all this work to save your photos. It's okay. The important thing is that you care. My name's Molly, and if this is the first time you're joining us, I definitely want you to see the link below where we've got a listing that you can see the rest of the secrets that I've shared, as well as downloading a little guide to our series. So this topic of hoping the family will appreciate your hard work. A lot of my clients have been worried about that, and I have to tell them, please don't set your expectations too high. Sometimes family members just don't understand what you've done to bring it all together. They may not care as much as you want them to. So first of all, there are some legitimate reasons why people may not want to look at pictures. My husband pointed out, some of us just aren't wired to care about looking through old photos. Some people have had trauma in their past, and I've experienced this in my family. Some horrible history in childhood makes looking at the pictures really emotional and not pleasant. So you want to not take it personally or be offended or try to convince someone to look at the pictures. Respect it. And they may join you later on, and it's better to let that happen naturally instead of saying, hey, you need to come and look. Let it go, okay? So I wanted you to know there are some outcomes that when you do this, it makes the whole thing worthwhile, even if you never get a thank you from anyone else. First of all, it's personally rewarding and enjoyable. When you look through your organized photos and you can find the picture that you want within a few minutes of the idea coming to your head, it's fantastic, okay? And sometimes the pictures that you save, no one else will ever look at. I have 800 photos from a trip I took with my mother-in-law and daughter. Now, the two of them have a photo book, and they'll probably go back and look, but no one else in my family cares about all the scenes that I snapped shots of. Another outcome is when you have your photos organized and digitized and saved in a way that you can access them quickly, you can share them easily. You can post a picture on Facebook that will delight people from the past. And you can also pull up a picture on your phone or maybe your computer, or even your television. Now, technology works that way. Your family might be having a conversation about, let's say, Christmases. And you can pull up a picture from the Christmas of 2002, and all of a sudden, a lot of people will be talking. And then you'll think, oh, I had those slides digitized from the 1960s, and you pull up a picture from then. Now, wheels are turning and people are chatting. My family so appreciates these little snapshots that I share here and there. They don't want to spend hours looking through my photo collection. When you organize your photos and the children in your family get to see them, they're going to see scenes from the past, and we know that photos help a child have stronger feelings of connectedness and resiliency and responsibility, and it's fantastic for children to see, their place in the family over the years. When saved properly, your photo collection will be enjoyed for generations to come. Think about the pictures that we love to see from the early 1900s. I hope you have some. The same will be true, 100 years from now when people look at what life was like today. Bottom line is, even if your family isn't as thrilled with your photo collection as you are, it's okay. There will be moments and times where sharing the pictures will be fun and enjoyable, and it makes it all worthwhile. So, that was secret number 5. Next up tomorrow is secret number 6. I wonder what that will be. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.